Humanda kayo sa paggagasa namin sa kampyonato.
We were not expecting that kind of yung performance for Smart Maynila. Talaga 25-11 ang nag-score doon. Tignan natin kung paano sila babawi. So far, Gohing is not having a good day. Valdez is not having a good day. Paikot-ikot na yung lineup dito ni Coach Roger Ligorayab looking for that best combination. Here is De Leon and Sue Roses gets the first point para sa Smart Maynila. Nagkagandahan dito kahit anong tambak ng second set. One set lang yun.
Pero they're down by 2. Pero Noel, tignan mo 11 points ang nakuha na sa second set.
Yeah.
5 pa doon. Errors ng kabila.
Yun na nga
That means only 6 points ang nagawa nila, so they have to wake up.
Although that serve by Banatikla goes long. 1-all. So Buena Filalio ngayon to put it in play. Ruby, one-hand set. Tabaquero, Soraya, Tipachot. Coverage is there para dito kay Eliza Valdez. Suzanne Roses, off the block. Tabaquero, Soraya, back set ngayon, Aiza Maizo. Late blocking there from Valdez.
Natuwa si Coach Ness doon dahil talagang sisigaw na ibigay kay Aiza Maizo yung set na yun.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. There's Gwyneth Eulalio. Gohing. De Leon. Going to Eliza. Eliza still cannot score. Tipachot. De Leon. Back to Eliza. Eliza kept alive and finally Eliza Valdez.
Out of the 4 leading scorers of Smart Maynila, surprisingly, wala pa tayo nakikitang pangalan ni Eliza Valdez sa ating mga stat sheets.
Probably only her 4th point of the match. Gohing now. Across. Here's Eliza one more time into the net. Hindi lang umingiti si Eliza.
Pero you can see the confidence of Coach Roger din naman, Noel, na kahit hindi na ganun kaganda ang laro ni Eliza Valdez, hindi pa rin siya nilalabas. Tiwalang-tiwala yung coach sa kanya.
Live and die with Eliza. Tandaan natin that she has scored in 20 points or more in all of her matches except for one. And there's Pinok Cassini. Yung one match na yun, 17 pa yung ginawa niya nun. Yun yung pinangko siya against Cagayan Valley.
Wow, bangko na yun.
Pinangko siya in the starting the third set. Or in the middle of the third set, di na siya naglaro ng sets 4 and 5. Here's Pao Soriano. Nice block by Ruby De Leon. Tabaquero. Roses. De Leon across. Here's Eliza again. Daga pa Junela. Regalo para kay Dindin. Dindin! Maizo. Tabaquero. And Tabaquero drops it in.
Attack the back line pag wala ang libero.
That's right. And now the libero is back. It's Melissa Gohing. Maizo. Gohing. De Leon going to Eliza again. Off the block. Kept alive by Tipachot. Soraya now going to Angge. Angge blocked by Ruby. One more time around for Tabaquero. And Tabaquero drops it in again. Banatikla and Valdez collide. Eliza is still down. Hawak yung kanyang balikat. Eliza iuupo muna. Rachel Soltones will come back in. 2-point lead for Cagayan Valley. Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Ruby. Soltones. Maizo. Soraya. Galing sa likod, Tipachot. Nice read by Maru Banatikla. 5-4. Cagayan Valley still up by 1.
Only 2 points for Eliza Valdez.
And Eliza is emotional right now at the lap of Roger Gorayev. I don't know. Yun na nga, I would like to know if she's going through something na hindi natin alam. Of course, si Rina Villamor, PT yan. She would know what's going on over there. Mamaya may report si Rina. Eliza is in tears. I don't know why. Shot comes in from Dindin. So ngayon with Eliza sideline para sa Smart Maynila, kailangan nila maghanap ng panibago nilang options dito. And you cannot play sloppily or even subpar kontra dito sa Cagayan Valley. Paparusahan ka na Cagayan Valley rito. And again, a service error galing kay Ruby De Leon.
Paparusahan ka ni Kanika Tipachot pag ayaw mo mag-block. Ay mo dumepensa.
That was a not a normal sight na nakita natin kanina. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League na Alyssa Valdez in tears in the middle of a game.
Ikaw si Coach Roger Correa, hindi ka na pwede magalit.
Hindi ba talaga? Yan. Alyssa now getting consoled by Jem Ferrer, yung kanyang ate sa Ateneo team. And now she's talking to Roger Gorayev once again. So, a little bit of drama galing doon sa side ng Smart Maynilad. They're only down by 1. This time, 2 points as well as Yunalio connects. 8-6. The plot thickens dito po sa Game 1. And the crowd here at the San Juan Arena witnessing the developments na nangyari dito. Alyssa Valdez has now hit the bench. Anong nangyari, Reyna Villamor?
Yes, walang nangyari nga dito. Unang-una yung frustration ni Alyssa Valdez dahil hindi niya makuha yung mga tira niya. At secondly, sumasakit na naman daw ang kanyang balikat. Naging problema niya ito yung college days pa niya dahil nga medyo poor ang kanyang mga back muscles dito. As for the Smart Maynila team, dalawang importante sa kanila dito, no? Yung sense of urgency nila at yung mental toughness nila. Coach Roger kept reiterating to them, you have to play like there is no tomorrow because there will be no rewinds and there will be no replays. Itong si Cassini din ay nagsabi na sa kanyang mga teammates, don't lose yourself in today's game. We have to be serious about this and control the game. Noel?
Well, now the veterans have to step up para dito sa Smart Maynilad. We're talking about the 2 MVPs and 1 finals MVP as Aiza Maizo puts that past itong si Maruba Natigla. Ang kailangan mag-step up na rito, Michelle, Sue Roses, itong si Pinoc Cassini and Ruby De Leon.
Ruby De Leon really has to communicate with her spikers na kaya niyang paikutin, kaya niya lituhin yung blockers ng Cagayan Valley dahil hindi nakakapalo ang Smart Maynilad as of this third set.
Ruby De Leon, Roses, Jonella who is playing with the fever. Tipachot off the block, hindi pa rin makontain yun ni Banatigla. So again, they have to carry on without Alyssa Valdez at this point. And alam mo, kausap natin si Coach Mac yung Puela kanina during timeout. She must be very exhausted to be in this situation. Were the words of Coach Mac.
Siyempre, iba talaga sabi ni Coach Mac dun sa timeout na yun. Sabi nga si Coach Roger daw, nagpagupit.
Oh.
Kaya daw, nag-backfire na. Dito sa...
Walang connection kay Alyssa Valdez.
Wala. Kaya nga nahiya ako sabihin kasi blooper moment naman ni Coach Mac during timeouts. Tinanong mo.
Tinatanong ko lang naman. Pero again, of course, yung situation nga dito sa Smart Maynila, they have to now rally around Alyssa Valdez's absence on the floor. Licasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Tipachok, baon na baon. And now Cassini having a word now with Gretchen Soltones. Si Cassini talaga has to rally the troops here. Let's take a look at this slow motion replay. Brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Kani Katipachot also showing some frustration
Nilalabas
doing
si
that.
Smart Maynilad, so kailangan doble effort ang kopanan na Smart Maynilad ngayon.
And there's the former MVP, Pinoc Cassini. Let's go now, sabi niya.
Ano si Pinoc, no? High percentage pagdating sa spiking, pero sa blocking, medyo mabagal siya magbasa ng setter. Or siguro dahil sobrang galing na talaga nitong form na Soraya na to.
Well, titignan lang natin if she can do the adjustment. Soriano into the hands of De Leon, kept alive there by Tabaquero. Here's Maizo, itinawid, and Gohing with the late decision to let it drop. At tama naman. Dalawa na lang po ang abante rito ng Cagayan Valley. Errors na ngayon ang nagiging problema rito ng Rising Suns. Tabaquero. Siguro Tipachot again. Grabe, sabi ni Roses, kuha ko na yun ah.
Kanino ka ba mapupunta kapag lumalapit na ang kalamangan nyo or lumalapit na ang kalaban? And of course.
That's right. Tabaquero, turned back there by De Leon. Soriano misses. So ito na yung mga gigil moments ng Cagayan Valley which gets them into trouble. Tanda natin, Cagayan Valley during the semi-final or the quarter-final round, yung 5 laban nila doon, 3 umabot ng 5 sets.
And of course naman ngayon, medyo natitikman na nila yung championship
Right.
sa mga kamay nila. Kaya gigil na gigil lahat ng spikers ngayon ng Cagayan Valley.
Well, if they get this, they'll be 1 win away from their first title.
History ito.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Maizo. De Leon running attack. Santiago kept alive there by Tabaquero. Kali sa likod, Tipachot. Banatigla. De Leon going to Soltones off the block. Tabaquero keeping it alive and Soraya cannot keep it alive. Si Soraya nag-dive na. Service, Soltones. Jonela, sinisisiw lang ni Jonela yung mga jump serve nito eh. And that sets up Tabacero for another kill. 14-11, Cotruang will return. Papalitan niya itong si Maru Banaticla.
This match, Noel. De Leon versus Angge Tabacero. Isa sa mga highest scorers ng Cagayan Valley.
Cotruang, maybe she can be the X Factor. Let's hear a report now from Reyna Villamor. Go ahead, Reyna.